Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will be showing you guys how to create a Discord server. So make sure you follow every step in the video. So what you need to do is you need to go here and then click on this plus icon which says add a server. So click on that, and then in here you have basically options. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on create my own. So click on this, and then you can basically choose if you want it for your friends or for yourself or for a club or a community. So we're gonna do for myself and my friends. So click on that, and then you can basically give any name that you want. I'm gonna give it Call of Duty server, and then click on create. So here we go, we just create the server. So this is how you can create a Discord server. See you guys in the next tutorial.